Welcome to the Foundation batch of English grammar. Let's start with the origin of English language. The English language belongs to the Indo-European language family. Its origins can be traced back to a hypothetical language called Proto-Indo-European, PIE, spoken thousands of years ago. Germanic invasions. Around the 5th and 6th centuries AD, Germanic tribes invaded Britain, bringing their languages with them. Anglo-Saxon, a Germanic language, became the foundation of Old English. Viking influence. During the 8th and 9th centuries AD, Vikings from Scandinavia began raiding and settling in Britain. Their language, Old Norse, influenced the vocabulary and grammar of Old English. That's why many German, French, and other languages' word are also is English language vocabulary. For example, senior, inferior, minimum, maximum, etc. First, we should discuss some important words of English grammar. English language has 26 letters and 1 alphabet, not 26 alphabet. Because according to Oxford University, a set of letters or symbols in a fixed order used for writing a language is called alphabet. Every language has 1 alphabet. Alphabet of Hindi language is called Varnmala. Word, meaningful combination of letters in called word. For example, India, capital, examination. Meaningful combination of words is called sentence. For example, Delhi is the capital of India. In a sentence, the predicate is the part that provides information about the subject or contains the verb. It expresses what the subject is doing or experiencing. Components. The predicate typically consists of a verb, although it can also include other elements such as objects, complements, or modifiers. Let's start our first topic of English grammar, noun. The word noun is taken from the Latin root, nomen. English language has eight parts of speech, noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. English is the third most spoken language in the world, with approximately 1.35 billion speakers. It is the official language of 59 countries, including the United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand. English is characterized by its large vocabulary, with over 170,000 words in current use. It is estimated that the English language adds a new word to its vocabulary every 2 hours, reflecting its constantly evolving nature. Our first topic is noun, so let's start. From childhood, we learned that name of a person, place, or thing is called noun. But if we want to competitive exams level, English grammar, we should go further in deep study. Take a look at these sentences. She hates going out at night. In this sentence, going is noun, which is called gerund, cooking is my hobby. In this sentence, going is noun, which is called gerund, according to Oxford, a noun ending in ing that has been made from a verb in called gerund. We looked at gerund after some time. First, look at some types of nouns. Abstract noun, we all have 5 senses: touch, see, smell, taste, hear. Things which cannot be sensed by these 5 senses are called abstract noun. For example, hate, happiness, and knowledge. Things which can be sensed by these 5 senses are called concrete nouns, for example, table, cup, boy, girl. Noun which describes a group, and collection is called collective noun. For example, jury, team, school. Things we can count are called countable nouns. For example, boy, girl, pen. Nouns made up of more than one noun are called compound nouns. For example, court-martial, sister-in-law, commander-in-chief. Noun which represent action called gerund, for example, writing, acting, dancing. Proper nouns. Definition. Proper nouns are specific names of particular people, places, organizations, or things. They are capitalized. Examples. Names of individuals like John, Mary, or Michael. Names of specific places like London, Eiffel Tower, or Central Park. Names of organizations like Apple Inc. or United Nations. Common nouns. Definition. Common nouns are general names that refer to people, places, objects, or concepts in a non-specific manner. They are not capitalized unless they appear at the beginning of a sentence. Examples: people, places, objects, and concepts. Material noun. A material noun refers to a type of noun that represents a substance or material from which objects are made. It specifically focuses on the physical matter or substance rather than the object itself. Material nouns are usually non-countable nouns, meaning they cannot be counted in their singular form. For example, iron, copper, silver, etc.